And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 126. Let me show you the isolate voice function. I've got this example recording. Let me play it first. This is a test recording to show the isolate voice function inbuilt in CapCut. It can be used on your recordings when there is very strong background noise, and it can either filter out the noise or the voice itself, but usually use it to filter out the background and leave you with the isolated voice. And you can already hear there are a lot of background noises. The background is basically a cafe recording, and sometimes you can't get around that. So you have to record something in an open setting that you can't really isolate. So you will have these noises. And you can try at least to use under basic for the audio file the isolate voice option, as I've already shown you in the last couple of videos. Also use normalize loudness, enhance voice, and reduce noise. I let that run in the background. And then we have isolate voice. It's a free function, at least currently. If you check it, it already starts processing it. And we have keep vocal and remove vocal as options. So you can actually also use that to remove the vocal and keep the background if you want to have that. But in this case, we obviously want to keep the vocal and remove the background. Enhance voice is still running. But now we have it. As always, when you use normalization, I would recommend going a little bit up with the volume. And now let me play it. This is a test recording to show the isolate voice function inbuilt in CapCut. It can be used on your recordings when there is very strong background noise, and it can either filter out the noise or the voice itself, but usually use it to filter out the background and leave you with the isolated voice. And there you go, a huge improvement. Depending on the audio that you use, you will still have some fragments. So CapCut isn't a perfect tool for that. But if that's all that you have, this is not a bad option. As I've said, it's free to use, so why not try it out? It will improve in this kind of audio significantly. One thing to mention though is if you don't have a lot of background noise, then don't use it. Because if you use it, then this might actually filter a little bit out of the voice itself. The AI or the automation of CapCut that's used to remove the background noise, it can't really distinguish fully between voice and background. So when there is no real background there, it might actually filter out certain sounds of your voice, certain words. So don't use it with these kinds of files. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.